Marcel Williams here with Elliott Wave Source, #1 source for Elliott Wave technical analysis. Today is April 24th, 2013, and I'll be covering two pairs for you guys today, CAD yen and the pound dollar. Starting out with the CAD yen, on the weekly charts, we see that we are currently in a corrective wave, the corrective phase. And we saw that we got one wave down, or those impulses down, and then now we are working on that corrective. So we got that A wave, the ABC within that A, and that C wave was actually 61% of wave A. Then we got that wave B. Wave A and wave B are 100% of each other, and then now we're working on wave C. I also took that distance of wave A just to get a target of wave C, and we see that we're just a little above 100. Now dropping down on the 4-hour charts, we get a closer look at that C wave. So we see that this is our wave 1, and then wave 1 retraced a bit, about 78%, 76.8%. And then if we move that up, we see that wave 3 is actually the extended wave, as it is 161% of the move of wave A. So we should expect our targets of wave 5 to be the same distance of wave 1. So as we move these fib levels over, we see that our target would then be a little over 100. Would be 101.39. So we just need to carve out that fifth wave, which we're currently working on. So we see we got 1, 2. I have this pegged as 3, but this down move could not be 4, as it already violated wave 1. So let's just drop down on the 30-minute, take a closer look. So this is our wave 1. This is the wave 5, and then this is the 1 within the 5. And then 2, wave 2 retraced about 50% of the move of wave 1. And on that note, wave 4 usually does the same, retrace about the same percent, but just in a different format. So as we see, wave 3, it surpassed that one. It surpassed 100%, but it didn't quite reach to that 161% fib level of wave 1. So as we see that wave 4, though, this down move, it violated the area of wave 1. So then this wave count would then become inaccurate. So what I have it labeled as is A, and I believe this is our B wave, as it is complex and very choppy. But I believe this will push a tad higher, and then that C wave within this corrective wave 4, should end about this level, about 50%, just as what wave 2 did. And then the wave should push on up, and then it should definitely hit that target of above 100, a little above 100. So we'll definitely monitor this pair. I'll touch on this sometime next week or in 2 weeks, just to see where we're coming along. Now switching gears to the pound dollar. See that we are still working on that wave 5. So we had wave 1 within 5 completed, and now we're working on that wave 3. Now on the 30-minute chart, we're seeing that last week we had it labeled as wave 1, 2, 3, then that short 4, and then that fifth wave, and then wave 2 retrace a bit, about 78%, 76% rather, and then now we're working on that wave 3. So we see wave 1, the 1 within that wave 3, so did a hefty move. Then we see wave 2, it retraced about just shy of 60%, about 50% of wave 1, and then now we're working on that wave 3 within the wave 3. So I'm definitely expecting this pair to push a lot lower these days to come. So we'll definitely monitor and see if our targets are met. So I'll definitely cover this pair at the end of the week just to get an update on what's going on with this pair, and I'll definitely touch on it next week as well. So thank you for watching the video today. If you guys have any questions, if you want me to cover any other pairs, then feel free to contact me or Paul in the chat room, and we will gladly assist you. And for you guys that are not members as yet, feel free to follow us on Twitter. Twitter handle is eWaveSource, so that's eWaveSource, and also like us on Facebook. And you can definitely come to this site and check out our articles and our charts of the day, because those we usually just give those away for free, so you guys can definitely come and check those out just to see our trading style and see if it matches your trading needs. So hopefully you guys had a good week so far, and wishing you guys the best. Thank you.